You see the burned pieces, and underneath there's the moss, what keeps the soil covered, so it's no oxidant. Here you see the burning space. When you look here, you see the soil, and this is what they burn, and this is how they let the peat grow. So no production, but more peat. Is it doing?
Yeah.
Here we have a 72 piler milking piler, and now they just finished and start cleaning the milk 3 times a day. One round is 10 minutes, so 10 minutes 6 times 70 is 420 cows an hour. It's amazing to see. Here you see the cows. They have 1100 cows now. They look healthy, they feed a lot of grass and mixed ration, and they're still expanding. And I asked, do we have problems with permits? No, no problem. So that's a big difference compared to our country.